To promote green development, we should protect the environment first, guided by the conviction of protecting environment for mankind. The briquette machine, committed to industrial production and our daily life. It can press powdery materials that are difficult to form in mineral tailings, so it is widely used in such industries as refractory, power plants, metallurgy, chemical, energy, transportation, heating and so on, whether it is coal powder, coke powder, dry powder, or slag, sludge, desulfurized gypsum, iron chips and other metal powder. It can be easily compacted. The finished products have various shapes, such as round, pillow-shaped, oval, square, etc. The briquette machine is mainly composed of 3 parts: feeding, driving and briquetting. The first part is mainly realized by automatic rationing to ensure that the material enters the roller chamber evenly. It is worth mentioning that our briquette machine is equipped with a screw-feeding device, driven by an electromagnetic speed-regulating motor, which is safe and convenient, saving time and effort. As the most important part of the equipment operation, the second part is composed of the electric motor, V-belt, reducer, open gear, and roller. The last part refers to the main engine, the core of which is the roll. The briquette machine, produced by our company, can adjust the pressure according to the requirement of density. Thus the production is flexible. Our briquetting machine has high molding pressure, adjustable host speed, and can meet the different production requirements of 1 to 80 tons per hour. It has less dust and convenient transportation during operation, which can effectively improve the waste utilization rate and obtain good economic and social benefits. Our products have been exported to more than 160 countries and regions, including China, India, Pakistan, Turkey, Indonesia, Vietnam, Russia, Brazil, etc. Excellent product quality and perfect after-sales service have won unanimous praise from customers at home and abroad. If you are interested in our products, please visit and inspect on the spot. We are looking forward to your arrival.